So here's the box from the Drkshdw by Owens and Converse collaboration. It has the Drkshdw logo up top and it has a flip opening. What I really liked about the collaboration was you had the classic Converse shoe silhouette mixed with that edgy Rick Owens style. You got the longer tongue and then the square toe, which is very distinct but also kind of subtle at the same time. You got the mixed logos on the tongue, and then there's the inside of the shoe. It is made in Vietnam. You get a set of white and black laces. And here's a detailed shot of that square toe. These definitely feel heavier than your average shoe. It's all about the details. You have the Drkshdw logo on one shoe and then the Converse logo on the other.